tired up.
You smoking, and then I'm gonna take it out, put it over there, put it over behind her. Keep smoking. Keep smoking. Oh, honey. Oh, man. We good? So we see that one's full. Yeah. That one's full. Okay.
Yeah, the hood.
Let's go.
Well, it forces them to my front of my face so I can at least see them if they get inside.
A little further down. Right here.
That's a lot of crowns, but I
Tell your
only have one
granddad if you
white.
work, you have to be paid, right?
I need to be paid. Hey, I have a white crown.
Wow, look at that. Wow, I see that. Good job, guys. You're coming in, I see that. Yeah, very good.
We were doing all those
Gotta be working. Honey's already full.
Yeah. And it's not leaving a whole lot of residue in the pan.
Yeah.
We used to struggle. This was the hard part of this. We'd be struggling all afternoon trying to get all the honey out. I'll let you on the next one. Let's get your grandfather busy first, okay? He's waiting on this one. I know, but we can't keep a busy man waiting, can we?
Are they what?
Oh,
Oh, look at that. Aha, looks good. All right. See what happens.
We don't care about the box. We don't understand the box. We don't want honey.
I want to get some
there we go.
Here. Let me give you a try. Take this.
That's all.
That's all right.
These will smell the honey.
When do you have to dump this honey out?
That's the J on
If the honey gets up to the basket.
mine.
We're trying to work.
I like that.
Yay!
Yay.
Go ahead and sit out of the way and we'll tell Bonnie to get you in the house.
Why is she there?
Well, he's not gonna get to the honey thing because I'll get him out before he
Sit
gets
over
there.
here on the bench and watch.
There's a bee over there. There's a bee over here. Can I sit here? Can I sit here?
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the next one, because you see, I have to stay ahead of those working guys. So the next one I bring over, while they're spinning, you can. I'll let you do it. You have to keep that.
What was that? All right. It's a lot. Not easy.
Nope, it is not.
All right, I'll take a turn. Keep going here. Let's take a look here.
Okay.
Well, let's see what they look like here.
Yeah, let's see.
You can probably flip these.
Yeah, flip it.
Just don't go in the honey.
Flip it.
All right.
Alright, let me do it a little bit.
Let Papa do it. Let me do it. Stop. Papa's doing it. Hey, let me. My God. After you come to me again, and then all four of us are Dr. Jones?
Yes, sir.
I can see the honey moving.
See it spinning out?
Well, it's not spinning. See,
We're not touching the basket yet, are we? I don't think it's touching the basket yet.
hold on.
All right. Let's see what you're not at the basket yet, but you're getting close.
Right under the basket.
It's pretty late. That's done.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see, some of them come out easier than others.
Next time it's my turn.
Okay. Works.
Just getting all off this frame. Here, give me that one. Yeah. We're gonna go on the top one. But we're gonna have 4 thicknesses, see? Okay, we can do that, like that. Now we gotta make it stay up there.
I can
Ain't gonna be like we taped it.
We got these. No, I got this.
On the table.
Say, well, we can't possibly support this thing. We have to tilt it down so that gets out. Definitely gotta go slow. And we just fill it all the way to the rim, and then we set it up and let it.
Yeah. Come here.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We let goes down. Keep going. Before those cheesecloths, it'll be a little slower.
Yeah.
It comes out crystal clear.
Okay.
All the fine particles get filtered. See?
Got about half of it in there this
Are
time.
you kidding?
No.
Are you serious? We just barely touched it.
Bananas.
It even worked out here.
Pour some more.
He has to have something.
Absolutely. And when you're getting to be his age, you'll be that way too. You'll have to have something to do too.
Not too fast.
Except you may have some grandchildren by then, right?
If there's a beetle, I must save him.
Whoa, there. Okay. By the time he gets out there,
Yeah, we're almost there. It's close.
What if I go bang? I wonder how far it'll go.
Here, so I can hold
I
it.
can stand over here. We can just watch it.
Slide it back where you sit it on the
Yeah, if you,
bench.
yeah, if you do that, I will.
Oh, that anyone will try that tries to escape.
Okay.
They'll try to climb up, but when it falls, it'll fall right back into it.
Okay. Won't be long now, guys. This is,
There
That one's going faster.
go on, put some more on this one there. Heck, it's going. It's just slow. Okay, that's great. Now put some more here because this is moving out.
Very fast.
Yeah, this is moving out. This is what we should have done at the beginning. Blue, you got.
Hey, you're blocking my view, boy. Pour me some honey.
Huh? I can't coordinate right now. I'm making a mess here and I don't want to do this. I gotta be a little
Look,
neater.
naturally fresh honey.
Not yet. It will be.
Why don't you put some paper in?
And do mine.
Hey, yeah, we'll do yours in just a second. Give us that paper over there first, Michael. Put some paper on these so that we don't make such a mess.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You should just put your videos on YouTube.
We could.
Yeah, we can do a small one out there for you. And that way you can go and see it.
What channel is it on?
Not sure. We'll have to let you know. This is not the right top. Your smaller top.
Oh,
Smaller
Lots
top.
of them, don't